waste your time. This life is mine. In a parallel universe, I can see my smile. Let me show you why.
Drink your food, it's fine.
Drink my food.
I mean, drink your drink.
Okay, so I've basically got this song which I'm gonna post on my social media. I started off with these chords, this. So I played these in on my MIDI keyboard, and I'm using Arcade, which is really cool. So I'm using this sound. Arcade, they have loads of samples which you can actually kind of format to match your project. So I found this like ticking, this like drum, just kind of offbeat. I really liked it. That's the vibe that I wanted to go for. Used this cup, just recorded it for the mic. We made like a little snare sound. Obviously got a load of reverb on it. Then another snare, just to give it a bit more body. Then I just did like a simple lead. It's very simple, like there's not much meaning to it. It's just to get something down, but.
'Cause you changed my mind, boy. You changed my mind, boy. My mind. My mind, boy. My mind. Lately I've been thinking, maybe I was wrong. Reality was warped, oh yeah. 'Cause you changed my mind, boy. You changed my mind. You make it right. You changed my mind. My mind, boy. My mind.